clearing the house properly. These friends from the left,
आपको बाद में जो ये बोला ना, ऐसा नहीं होता है। बैठिए, जब मैंने बोला है शून्यकाल में दे दूंगी समय।
and making comments and also
Madam, out of the spices, we know that the turmeric is the third largest spice that is cultivated in our country. And Telangana being the largest cultivator of turmeric, madam, and also my constituency in particular, I am very closely associated with these farmers, and I closely know and understand their issues. In particular, madam, there is no minimum support price that is fixed. So usually it is the middleman that gets the benefit of the crop, and also there is no research support at all given to them. And particularly only out of the turmeric produced, 10% of our turmeric is only exported, and there is no export infrastructure also provided. And to address all these issues, madam, I believe commodity board for turmeric is a solution. And time and again in the last 1 year,
जारी कांग्रेस और भाजपा दोनों ही दलों ने आज सदन में मौजूद रहने के लिए अपने सांसदों को जारी किया व्हिप। एनडीए के कई सांसदों ने सभापति की चेतावनी के बावजूद राज्यसभा कार्यवाही में बाधा डाल रहे कांग्रेस के सदस्यों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने की मांग की। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज चेन्नई में पहले राष्ट्रीय हथकरघा दिवस की करेंगे शुरुआत। स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के दौरान 7 अगस्त 1905 को इसी दिन स्वदेशी आंदोलन की हुई थी शुरुआत। प्रधानमंत्री इंडिया हैंडलूम ब्रांड का भी करेंगे शुभारंभ। बिहार में विधानसभा चुनाव की तारीखों को अंतिम रूप देने से पहले चुनाव आयोग आज से राज्य के 2 दिवसीय दौरे पर विधानसभा चुनाव से जुड़ी तैयारियों का लेगा जायजा। पाकिस्तान के उत्तरी वजीरिस्तान इलाके में अमेरिकी ड्रोन हमले में कम से कम 5 आतंकवादी मारे गए। हमला अफगानिस्तान से लगे उत्तरी वजीरिस्तान कबायली जिले में दत्ता खेल के लावरा मंडी इलाके में हुआ। इस इलाके को माना जाता है अल-कायदा और तालिबान आतंकवादियों का गढ़।
will be given a priority, but at the moment, the way in which the 11 different spice development agencies are going to be focused on, Tamil Nadu, the center which is being given in Erode, will be focusing on turmeric, chili, pepper and so on.
पुंछ जिले के सोजिया सेक्टर में सैन्य शिविर को निशाना बनाकर भारी गोलीबारी की। भारतीय सेना ने भी पाक सेना को मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया। पाक सेना ने पहले हल्के हथियारों से गोलीबारी करने के बाद मोर्टार भी दागे। भारत की जवाबी कार्रवाई के बाद पाक सेना ने गोलीबारी बंद कर दी।
Secretary of that state where it is located, together with members from other areas, we will be able
और वहीं जम्मू कश्मीर के उधमपुर जिले में भी कल आतंकी हमला हुआ। कल शाम आतंकियों ने बसंतगढ़ थाने के अंतर्गत संघ पुलिस चौकी पर हमला किया।
Finance Minister has set aside the aside scheme, so you can't help us, and now the burden is on the state government, madam. So please use your good offices with Jaitley ji, and वो aside scheme हमारे पे कर दीजिए मैम, क्योंकि last year was my request, and by the time land was allocated by the state government, ये scheme तो चला गया मैम. And I have
just on that specific question, aside funds may have now been given over to the states.
But first later complete and then
all right,
please.
Madam, I would like to quote from the foreign trade policy document of the Commerce Ministry, ma'am, which says plantation products, especially spices and tea, being closely associated with brand India, help to promote Indian cuisine, lifestyle and exports, and establish a personal recall value among consumers in general. And Haldi is the best brand ambassador for India, madam. That all of us know, माननीय सारे सांसदों को मालूम है कि हल्दी का महत्व क्या है, especially भाजपा का principles जो है with Indian heritage and culture, it goes very well. But then unfortunately, madam, the kind of emphasis that you give on the culture and heritage, the same impetus is not given for the turmeric production or even the export, madam. Of late, Prime Minister ji had set up a production and export development agency for saffron, which is produced very little in our country. But whereas turmeric is also called as Indian saffron, I kindly request you if you can do something about, if not the aside scheme, if you can set up a production and export development agency. And related to that, there is also a serious query, madam. Because of the FTA agreements, now we are importing turmeric also. Unless and until we stop the import of turmeric, madam, we cannot help our farmers. So kindly look into that, ma'am. And जलेब पे नमक छिड़े जैसा आपने और एक काम कर दिया मैम. हमें तो असाइड स्कीम में नहीं दिया, लेकिन गुंटूर का जो स्पाइस डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी है उसमें आपने हमारा तेलंगाना का टर्मरिक प्रोडक्शन का भी मैनेज करने का दे दिया मैम, because that is what your letter says. Till the date that you set up a separate park, Our Warangal regional office is not given the responsibility, but the Guntur office is given, madam. So I request you to give the responsibility to the Warangal regional office. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam Speaker, the honourable member has raised several issues. One by one I would like to address. I'm grateful that the member recognizes that the government today gives a lot of priority on items which are specific to Indian traditional knowledge and so on. Taking the example of turmeric, I would like to tell her and assure the member that as regards turmeric and the kind of intellectual property related matters, we have been very keen. Recently you would have come to know through the media that we have won back-to-back several cases related to turmeric IP protection, and in that we have not lagged behind at all. As regards the Spice Development Agency, taking the example of saffron, yes, saffron required to be, however small or the quantum being a certain proportion of international trade, for Jammu and Kashmir, saffron means very significant contribution towards India's unique item for trade, and on that we wanted to give the message and also work for the development of saffron, and therefore that was specifically done. The SDA that you have referred in the context of saffron is the kind of emphasis with which all other 11 centers are being set up, whether for turmeric or for other spices, dhania, jeera and so on, mint and so on. And as regards imports of turmeric, agricultural products normally are taken care of. We don't allow imports, but at the same time, where it is not possible to curb it, we cannot completely restrict the import. We'll certainly be keeping a watch on what quantum.
So you can't stop rubber import.
Whether the import is the direct cause for the suicide, I'm not able to establish, ma'am, but I will certainly find out on that. She also raised this issue about the aside, which I wanted to start answering with. Aside, certainly the funds which were given to the Commerce Ministry are now sent off to the states for them to deal with it. That doesn't exclude the states' right to utilize the funds which came from the center on aside to promote the trade of turmeric or the export of turmeric. And the Commerce Ministry has repeatedly assured any technical assistance which we have to give, we are fully willing to give the states where it is required. Aside fund going away doesn't mean that we don't have a role to play. We shall certainly play the role. And as regards Guntur, taking care of turmeric, I'm sure the turmeric is grown both in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Warangal also has certain kind of chilies which are very unique to it, because I'm aware of Warangal's chilies. Both turmeric and chilies of Telangana will get the due attention. Ma'am, you've been speaking about the Spice Park, which is as different from SDA, the Spice Development Agency. We are giving full focus for the Spice Park. We shall help to create one there in Telangana, but that's more after the state government sends the due papers.
And at least our Chief Secretary should get a space in the SDA in Guntur, otherwise we'll have no voice.
Yeah. Dushyant Singh.
Speaker, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to ask a question. Ma'am, I want to bring it to you through you to the Minister. Previous government of the UPA, the Commerce Ministry was we had a spice park in Jhalabad, Bara, and then the UPA government in the state and the center ensured through the Commerce Ministry our park, which was allocated to Jhalabad, was sent to other part of my state. I'm going to ask the Minister if the state government proposes with the land for the spice park under the SDA is still available in my district. If the state government sends a request to the Honourable Minister, will the Honourable Minister give us an opportunity to have a spice park for dhania and lasan, as we are the prime growers of dhania and lasan in the region of Malwa, ma'am, from where you are also elected from. So I would like to have assurance from the Minister for Jhalabad, would we get a spice park in or a help through the Minister in the center? Thank you.
Ma'am, if the proposal is sent from the state